Dear students, take out your social studies book. We will do unit number 5, lesson 1, Who Are Friends, page number 121. When I go to school every day, I play with my friends. A friend is a person who plays with you, helps you when you have a problem, and listens to you. So, who is a friend? A friend is a person who plays with you and helps you when you have a problem. And also, friend listens to you. We all have friends, right, kids? We all play with our friends. We also listen to our friends. We help our friends when they need something or when they have any problem. My friends and I talk about our problems. Good friends never make fun or speak badly about one another. Students, we always talk about our problems with our friends, right? If I have any problem, if I cannot understand homework, I ask my friend. We never make fun of our friends. We never make bad comments about our friends. We don't speak bad about our friends. Okay, students? Good friends don't do these things, okay? Sometimes I like to play with a toy, but my friend likes to play with another toy. We never fight. We agree which toy to play with together. Dear students, when we play with our friends, we play together. We never fight with our friends. If they like a toy, they can play with it. Okay, students? If my friend makes a mistake, I do not get mad at him, her. I care about him or her. Everybody makes mistakes. I love my friends so much. Dear students, anyone can make mistakes, right? So I do not get mad at my friend because she can make a mistake. And I care about my friend a lot because I love my friends so much.